The next letter of Hindi alphabet is U. 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 It sounds as double O in English words cool, pool, tool. U. U. This letter is named as U. This is printed form and this is handwritten form. U. It sounds like double O in English words cool, pool, tool, etc. Now, a few words having this letter. Un. 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 The first sound, the first letter is U. U. Un. Un means wool. Un. Un means wool. Un. Un means wool. Oot. Oot. The first letter in this word is also U. Oot. Oot. Oot means camel. Oot. Oot. Camel. Oot. Oot. Camel. Lucknow. Lucknow. The last letter of this word is U. Lucknow. Lucknow is the name of a city in India. Lucknow. Lucknow. In English we spell it as Lucknow. Lucknow. But in Hindi we say Lucknow. Lucknow. Lucknow is the name of a city. It is the same city where I prepare these videos. Lucknow. Lucknow.